Monday, mga ka-faith. Welcome to our Monday devotion. May mga panahon ba na feeling mo stuck ka sa life? Parang paulit-ulit lang ang same routine at hindi mo alam kung saan ka patungo. Kapatid, listen. God has a plan for your next season. And that plan starts with vision. Sabi sa Proverbs chapter 29 verse 18, where there is no vision, the people perish. But he that keepeth the law, happy is he. Kita nyo, kapag walang vision, parang naglalakad ka sa dilim. Pero kapag malinaw ang vision, alam mo kung saan patungo at paano ka lalakad sa planong ibinigay ng Diyos. At para maalala natin, i-break natin ang word vision. At bawat letra, gabay para makita at makamit ang next season ng buhay mo. Una, visualize. Visualize your next. Imagine yourself living in the purpose God has for you. Kung hindi mo makita sa isip mo, mahihirapan ka ring marating. Parang athlete na nag-dream ng gold medal. Inuuna niya na sa isip ang tagumpay bago ito marating sa training at sa laro. Kapag na-visualize mo na ang iyong next, sunod natin ay inspire. Be inspired by God's promises and the people He has placed in your life. Let their stories motivate you to step forward. Parang isang bata na nakikita ang kapatid niya na nakamit ang pangarap niya. Nagiging fuel ito para ipagpatuloy ang sariling journey. At kapag inspired ka na, ang susunod ay seek. Seek God's guidance through prayer and His Word. Humingi ng clarity at direksyon para sa next steps mo. And write down your goals and align them with what God says in the Bible. Don't move forward blindly. At kapag hinanap mo na ang guidance, ang susunod ay implement your plans. Action is the bridge between vision and reality. So, huwag kang puro pangarap. Gumawa ka ng steps para ma-achieve mo. At parang nagtanim ka ng binhi, kapag hindi mo diligan at alagaan, hindi lalago. Kailangan action mo para lumago ang vision mo. At kapag na-implement mo na, susunod, obey. Obey God's instruction. Kapag may gabay siya sa iyo, sundin mo kahit mahirap. Obedience ensures success in God's timing. And listen to the nudges in your heart, the advice from godly mentors, and follow what God is telling you. And finally, next. Next is moving forward in faith. Take that step knowing God has prepared the way for you. Every next season starts with trusting Him. And don't wait for perfect conditions. Start now, step by step, holding on to God's promises. Mga ka-faith, may malinaw na vision ka na ngayon para sa iyong next. Challenge ko sa iyo this week. Visualize, pray, write, and take one step forward in your next season. Ito yung memory verse natin. Proverbs 29 verse 18. Where there is no vision, the people perish. But he that keepeth the law, happy is he. And this is Pastor Francis reminding you, God has a vision for your life. And He wants you to step into it. At kung na-bless ka sa message nito, like, follow, and share para ma-inspire rin ang iba sa kanilang next journey. God bless. Shalom.